Last year, OpenAI made $13.1 billion. It spent $34 billion running itself. That's $2.60 out for every dollar in. Not a rounding error. Oracle spent 83 cents of every dollar it made on data centers alone. Its free cash flow last year, minus $23.7 billion. It spent more cash than it took in, on purpose. Microsoft, Alphabet, Amazon, Meta, Oracle, 5 of the most profitable companies on Earth. And this is where the profit is going. Every one of them calls it AI spending. Not one will say how much of it actually is. Here's the part that complicates the story. Anthropic's revenue went from $3 billion to $47 billion in about a year. That is not a company running out of road. It might be spending itself there anyway. In 2024, OpenAI told investors it would burn $44 billion. A year later, it said $115 billion. This year, $218 billion. The number keeps changing. The direction never does. The bet is that the revenue outruns the spending before the money runs out. Nobody knows if that's true, including the people spending it.